Hi, this is our code. It's more like a package than just a model. It has one main file here, which is basically where you can run the code, and it's a package. The package name is a Berlin because the website name is a berlinstartupjobs.com. So they are scrappers for other websites. There will be another packages in here too, like berlin.py. But for this moment, you can see that it's a completely object-oriented code. It's almost everything is commented here, so that if by accident another developer wants to take a look on the code, it will be a piece of cake for anybody else to understand this code. So you can see that everything is commented out. It's almost a 300 line of code in a full scope. Let's begin to test some stuff. So the idea is that we will run it from the shell, of course, but when we say jobscraper.py, we have a couple of options, but to see these options, when you just run this like this, it says that you need to specify argument. Please type Python scripter --help to view arguments. So in this case, it's a jobscraper.py. It's --help. Okay, so we have a couple of arguments. It's a Berlin, so it says it's scraped from the https berlinstartupjobs.com. So if you specify the argument like Berlin, it will begin to scrape from berlinstartup.com, berlinstartupjobs.com. So now here is --all argument. That's basically for the future purposes when we will need to scrape from all the website we have for which we have developed the packages, but for the moment we have only Berlin option for the scraping task. But also here we have a threaded option which turns the Berlin script into a multi-threaded mode. So it uses it fetches all the pages, and I will show you what pages I'm talking about. For example, if we take this category and we go down here, so we have 6 pages. So when you are in the multi-threaded mode, it's a second argument actually, which must be provided by the --berlin argument. So when you provide this thread argument, it will say it will create a multi-threaded mode, and it will fetch all the pages, for example, all of these 6 pages in the parallel mode. So it will take the time which is needed for only one page, the non-threaded mode. So you can just run it from there like this, and you can wait. So I will speed it up in the video. So as you can see, it has finished working. It took somewhere 4 minutes to scrape the 328 jobs with the companies info and with the details info and so on. So and it says to go and check this file. So it is inside the data sheets. So we have a data sheets file here. So when we click here, there was nothing, and it appeared that there is something in here. So to this directory, I will open it here, and there is data scrapper. So we can open this one, and you can see that it has all the data. So it has a title bar, something like this. So it has all the data that was on the website. The empty fields which are here, those are info that was not provided on the website, on this website. Maybe in the future in another website there will be all this info in some another website, but on this website those are the infos that I was only to be able to grab, because they are just what they exist in the website. So you can see here is job description. So you can see company logo URL. You can check out this URL here, like this one. We can see that it's Zato. But for now, I want to take a look about this threaded option. You can see that it's really ordered in the order that it is on the website. For example, if you check this software development jobs, these URLs are from there. You see engineering. This is a category of engineering. So when you check this out, you will see that it follows the same order that it is on the website. And in the threaded option, when there are multiple threads working in a parallel mode, there will not be this type of an order, but they will fetch all of the data, but there will not be the order. It will be more like a randomized in the sense of the order compared to the website's order. So now I'm gonna run the threaded option and thread it. But at this moment, I'm not gonna speed up the video and show you how fast the threaded option is. But for now, we can delete this, or actually there will be another file created with the date and time provided on it. But okay, let's leave this like this and let's run the threaded option. And let's look at the speed of the threaded option. Okay, it's just trying to get to the okay. We have begun. Look at the speed. It has scraped the 100 option maybe in a 10 second. Let's say 200. It's maybe a 20 second. I don't know. I don't know exactly, but it's not. It should not be more than that. So it has finished. So you can see that it took somewhere 35-45 seconds. And it's much faster, but it has it does not write the data in the order as it is on the website. So for example, if it says to check this file, so it ends with a 4619. Okay, so 4619, and if you check this out and show the URLs, you can see that it's unordered. It's product management, marketing, engineering, operations. So it's just unordered, but it's really fast. Okay, let's see it. I think so. That's all for this moment. Now you can see that this is really high quality code. Yeah. It has all the best practices that is needed for the high quality code. For example, it has also the interface structure here, which defines the functions that should be defined in the implemented class. You can't understand this, but it's basically to create a framework to develop the large-scale application. So, and our application will be the large scale, a really large scale, if we have too many websites to scrape. So we need some kind of framework to develop this. So that's all. Bye.